In this video, I want to show you 3 waitlists that you should get onto if you're creating any kind of videos and you want to use AI. It doesn't matter if they're completely AI generated or if it's you in the video and then you want to edit it with AI. These are 3 waitlists for amazing tools that are coming out. They're going to save you a huge amount of time. This is Agent Opus. The link to this one and the other two will be down in the description. What you're able to do with this tool is very simply come in and describe exactly what you need the video to do, and the agent is going to create that video. It's able to use assets it can find online or assets that you give it, and it's going to write the script. It's going to give it an AI voiceover. It's going to do the hook. It's going to do everything for you. You're basically going to be able to assemble this AI team in order to produce your video. So you get a researcher, you get a script writer, you're going to get a storyboard artist, an asset manager, and some of these can be your assets as well, a hook designer, you're going to have motion graphics designer, video editor, voice actor, so you can have AI voices as well. And all of these are going to work together in order to be able to produce your video for you. So you can have different styles of videos. Maybe you find a news article, you want to turn that into a video. Maybe you've got audio out there that you've recorded and you want to turn it into a video. Maybe you've got a blog post that you've written and you want to turn that into video. It's able to do all of these things for you with motion graphics, write the script and everything. You can even take news articles, video clips, other real world assets, and put them into a final draft. Not only that, but it's going to keep the content consistent, so you can match the content throughout the whole video, making it more engaging for the people that are watching it. So if that sounds like it's something of interest to you, then definitely get on their waitlist. The second tool that I want to show you is done by Jupiter AI, and they are introducing Levio, and it is an AI editing agent. Now, this tool is better for you if you're the kind of person that does a talking head video. This could be generated with AI. So you've done an AI talking head video, or you've recorded yourself and you want to edit it. So you can see all those kind of videos there. What this is able to do, Jupiter at the moment, and I've used this tool before, it's brilliant, is it will automatically add subtitles, find the B-roll for you, animations, and many more things. You do have to put up the final edited video. So what I quite often would use this for is you take like a 40-minute video from a client, cut that video up into shorts, and then you put it in here to be able to do the editing for you. But what they've done is they've taken things a level further and they put this AI editing agent in. So instead of doing all of that editing manually, you can do it with AI. And again, you can see that you can join the waitlist. This one's the second link down in the description. So if that's more your style, then this would definitely be something that I would consider using. And you can actually try Jupiter AI right now. And if you like how it is manually, then the waitlist is definitely for you. But you can see these are all the different things that you can add in, and Levio is going to help you do all of this with your videos. Now, the third one I want to show you is for those of you that are a little bit more advanced with your video editing. So instead of doing it all online or in a browser, then what you tend to do is you have a more sophisticated piece of software. So when I'm doing more sophisticated edits for my clients, then what I do is I do it in DaVinci Resolve. You can use Premiere Pro as well. I like DaVinci because A, it's free, and B, I've been using it for years. They do have a browser version of this as well. And what you're able to do with this, again, is you can take those long videos, because Jupiter is more for like shorts editing, but you can take that long video that's maybe a podcast interview that's cut out the silences, put captions in, add some zoom effects to make it more interesting, chapters, viral shorts it can cut things up into as well. But what this does is it does it all automatically for you. So you can get a 7-day free trial at the moment. If you're like me though and you use DaVinci Resolve, you do need to get on the waitlist. So this is the third waitlist, and I'll put this as the third link down in the description. But you can see that this is already being used by lots and lots of people. And it says here it lets us deliver 20 plus more billable hours every week. So you could take this tool, start editing videos for clients. And if you wanted to do that, what I would do is I would just go get the 7-day free trial, find 30, 40 people that you want to work with, maybe creators, and then use these tools and edit a sample and send them the sample. But you can see here it's more than halved our workload. So I can use this in my own videos, or I can use this with client work as well. So let me just show you a few clips of how it works. So this is the silencing. That was just done automatically by the AI. Just adjust your settings, hit go, and it will automatically silence everything for you. It's also going to put captions in straight away. So it's going to be able to read the transcript, and it's able to put in B-roll for you as well. So you can see that you just go in, say how often you want your B-roll. It's going to find it for you. It's going to automatically put it in, and then you can just go through and tweak what you want and change what you want.